Hello, everyone. So it's the moment we've all been waiting for, the conclusion to our 750 member giveaway. So, as I posted about a week ago, that before we had 800 members, I wanted to go ahead and give out a few prizes just to thank you all for being part of the group. As I said here, for the top winner, which there will be only one, I will be giving away a paid application fee, which is basically $100 for a 5-year membership for Global Entry and TSA PreCheck. What that allows you to do is basically you go to the airport right in the US. You can go into the TSA PreCheck line, which allows you to skip the big lines, and then you get to keep on your shoes, a light jacket. You can leave your laptop in your bag, etc., and then you breeze right through security. It saved me at least 10 hours over the past, year just in security times alone. As well as, I have a habit of being a little bit late for some of my flights, so without TSA PreCheck, I definitely would have missed a lot more than I have. So it is absolutely amazing. I love TSA PreCheck so much. In addition to that, Global Entry is phenomenal for when you're taking international trips because when you come back to the country, it allows you to essentially skip customs. You can go around those huge custom lines and you just scan your fingerprints, put your passport in there, and you go right through. It usually takes maybe around 10 minutes for us to get through customs as opposed to maybe 30 minutes to 2 hours, depending on how bad it is in the past. Alex, my wife, was actually even able to catch a flight that she would have missed if she didn't have Global Entry because she was able to go through customs so fast and get to her connecting flight. So Global Entry is fantastic. So is TSA PreCheck, and I'm basically paying for you to have it for 5 years. So that's our first prize winner. And then our two runner-ups are going to get 2 free Southwest drink coupons each. And I'll go over that a little bit later in the drawing. So the rules to enter the contest are pretty simple. You just needed to put your name down here in the comments, and we had quite a few comments in our giveaway. So definitely grateful for all the participation. So what I did was I actually had to gather everybody's comments and put all the names together in one big list. So here is our official breakdown of all the names that I collected, all our entries, and there was a total of 62 of them. And then in addition, as I mentioned, for our top contributors to the group, these 10 wonderful individuals here, they were going to receive 2 bonus entries for a total of 3 entries. So I actually even put bonus next to their names so you know that this is their first bonus entry and their second bonus entry. So if they do win due to having a bonus entry, we will actually know that's why. So all I'm going to do now is basically put all the names together and throw them into a big random name picker. And so I will pick the first 3 names, and those will be our winners, plus 2 alternates in case anything comes up. So let me copy these names. And just so you know, there's nothing amuck here. I'm even going to go to the random name picker right in front of everyone. So this is the name picker. I'm going to go ahead and put in everybody's information. So those are all the regular entries, and now I'm going to add in the bonus entries. So here we go. Awesome. So we have bonus entry 2, bonus entry 1, and then we have all of our regular names. So it is time to pick our grand prize winner here. Let's pick a random name. And the winner is Zach Hermans. He's actually one of the people who said that if he did get the first prize that he's willing to give it up to someone because he already has Global Entry. So we're going to put Zach Hermans as our winner for one of our Southwest drink coupons. So let me just pull up a little sticky note here, and we'll have first prize to be determined thanks to Zach's generosity. And for second prize, we're going to go ahead and put Zach Hermans so I can go ahead and mail him out his Southwest drink coupons. So then let's pick our alternate grand prize winner. Harry Adams, the 5th. Thank you, Harry. You are our grand prize winner. So I will be contacting you to get your Global Entry and TSA PreCheck going. Now for our final winner, let's see who it's going to be. Third prize is Lorena Quevedo. So that's it. Thanks everybody for being patient. I know I'm a little bit slow to get this whole thing concluded, but I really appreciate you all being there. Christian's awesome. He just commented. Hopefully he's not too upset once he realizes he didn't win there, but he's a great contributor as well. So those are our top 3 winners. And as I said, if we go back here, first prize is going to be global entry and TSA pre-check. I'm going to basically pay for you 5 years of membership. And that's going to be Harry Adams V. And then our 2 alternate winners for the Southwest drink coupons, which include whiskey, bourbon, Cabernet, rum, gin, beer, scotch, vodka, Chardonnay, Irish Cream. I can taste it. For our 2 alternate winners, that's going to be Zach Hermans and Lorena Quevedo for those. And I'll mail you out each your 2 coupons. I just need a mailing address or whatnot. But thanks everyone for tuning in, and thanks for being a part of the group. Can't wait for the 1,000-member giveaway. Maybe it'll be a trip to Hawaii or something really, really exciting like that, because I am really encouraged by how fast we're growing. I really want to get participation up. That's why I do giveaways like this. So please feel free to comment if you have questions, even travel advice, anything like that. This group is really a place where I want everybody to be able to come and contribute and help each other, and really for all of us to get out there and see the world, and if possible to do it for as cheap or as free as possible. So thank you all again, and yeah, happy hacking. Talk to you later. Bye.